With this kit, you're going to be making the tulip chart. If this is your first time creating with us, we want to share a few tips to make this experience a great one. If you haven't yet, visit our techniques videos linked in the description below. For all you first-timers, we sent you some pipe cleaners in your kit specifically to practice with these videos and learn common techniques that will make your piece even better. Regardless of how many times you've done this, you have some extra pipe cleaners in your kit in case you make a mistake. That's completely normal and we've planned for it. The more time and attention you give to your piece, the better it will turn out. So take all the time you need, follow the steps, and above all, have fun learning and advancing in this new art form. Happy twisting! Let's make this fun tulip charm. To make this, let's start here. Grab a pink pipe cleaner and shape it to the template of the petal. Once you have your shape, pull one end down as shown. Pinch it to connect and wrap the excess around the frame to strengthen. Use this long extra piece to weave and fill your petal. Go down and through the middle, looping over your outside frames in a back and forth pattern. To finish this fill, you will only need 1/2 more of a pink pipe cleaner, so fold a full one in half and cut it in the center. Then, tie onto the end to extend your piece and continue weaving as before. When you fill it, don't cut the end, we need it later. Just set it aside for now and we will continue. Be sure your extra is on the side opposite the point. If needed, weave back in one more time so it ends on the correct side. Make a second teardrop like the first. You will see a different way to start here by shaping the top point first. You can try this or repeat what you just did. Weave it together as you did before after connecting your petal. You can use the other half of the pipe cleaner you cut earlier to loop on and finish the fill. Trim the end of this one and hide the excess. Now let's connect the petals. Be sure the one with the tail off the back is the right petal on the template. Turn the second one with no tail the other way and place behind. Place them slightly off-center, then push the excess through both pieces. Fold it over on the back to secure the connection. Use your darker pink piece to create the center petal. Bend the full pipe cleaner in half, then bend only 1/2 in half again. Cut this half, that's a lot of halves, as you will use the longer piece to fill later. Shape the 1/4 of a pipe cleaner you cut according to the template, starting with the top. Twist your ends on either side of the bottom of the arrow shape to connect. Here's where the piece will sit once finished. Use your extra that you cut to fill. Line it up with the tip on the edge and tie on as shown. Go around and through just as you did to fill in the other petals. Trim most of the excess off, leaving a small piece as shown. Use the small extra piece of lighter pink from earlier to connect to this piece. Push through from back to front on your right petal in the center. Make sure your middle petal is where you want it, then weave the extra back through on the left side all the way to the back. Now trim some of the excess, leaving a small amount to connect and hide in the back as shown. Grab a green pipe cleaner and shape to the template for the stem. At the tip of the first leaf, fold over and pinch into shape. Once you make this leaf, connect it to the base of the stem as shown. Do this a second time, pinching the top part of the leaf and connecting to the opposite side of the stem. With your frame secure, now wrap in your 2 remaining pieces on the bottom of the stem. Make a J shape and tie onto the side. Then start weaving over and through just like you did with the petals. When you reach the small triangle in the middle, fill that section only, weaving back and forth until it's finished. Now that you reach the top of the triangle, you can build the top part of the stem of the flower with the extra. Size your stem to the template and bend as shown. Move back down the stem to where you ended your triangle. Move the extra to the back and twist 1 time at the bottom to lock in the stem. Then trim the extra and secure it on the back to hide. Grab a full green pipe cleaner and line it up on the leaf as shown. Then tie on and start weaving to fill as before. Be sure you are pushing your fill down to keep it tight as you weave. After you finish the fill, trim and secure on the back. Tilt the top of your leaf to the side as shown for a better shape when finished. Fill the second leaf the same way with a new pipe cleaner. Trim and secure the second leaf and shape. Use half of a full pink pipe cleaner to start your connection. Fold this piece in half and go 3/4 of the way up your stem to about even with the leaf tips. Push through the center of the stem loop. Do this with both sides several times, working your way back up to the tip of the stem. Set your petals on top of the stem so your pink is all covered. Turn it over and push the connections through each petal as shown from back to front. When you have both pieces through, wrap around the outside of the frame to the back. Take the piece you're wrapping down the back and wrap around the stem at the base of the petals to secure. Repeat this on the other side. And you're done! You can connect a chain, a key ring, or just another piece of pipe cleaner to make it a backpack charm or something that goes on your keychain. Thanks for building with us. Show us your work by tagging us on Instagram at AscendArtCo. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and have fun showing off your work to all your friends. See you next time. Until then, happy twisting!